Hello, hi, it's Liz here and I'm back today to do the full deck challenge organised by Shinuki Art on YouTube and Facebook group, Full Deck Challenge, and we are at number 8. It didn't stamp very well because this is quite shiny, this little piece of paper. Anyway, so yeah, number 8, purple with white splatters. So we're starting to stray into a little bit of mixed media this week. So I have gathered my bits. I've got my paint for my white splatters, a little bit of water. I've got a purple iris here, one of the newer stamps from the UK with the king instead of the queen. Yeah, so we'll use that. I've got some bits of stickers, which I've got some purple kind of foamy stickers. I've had these for such a long time, so it'll be good to use them up. So these are from Pink Fresh, just a little lovely puffy phrase stickers, and we might use a couple of the flowers. And there's a little purple heart there, and there's some purple in that. And then I've got my words. I've got my little bit of a tag because I put a little fabric tag on each one. So we've got our purple tag, and what we need now is our bit of background. And I've got this, which was from 2023, and I had big plans for this. I was going to do a daily journal in my Hobonichi, and I think I got to March and then stopped. So I've hunted through it and I'm just going to start using it up. I actually came across it when I was hunting for the purple stickers, and it was at the very bottom of the box. I thought, oh yeah, there might be some purple in there, and sure enough. And the only thing is they're dated, but we can just ignore the dates. Yeah, there's actually quite a lot of nice little pieces of paper in here. So I don't even know if you can get these still. A collage fodder resource and daily calendar. And I would use it again, except for the fact that I'd need to wait until Thursday came around and landed on the same date, because it's got the day of the week as well as the date. If it just had the date, then you could use it for any year, but hey ho. Hey ho. So I've already got a little bit on the back with my stamping and my purple. So, and I've stitched round the edge. Yeah, so we're good to go, and I'm simply just going to use the bits of purple and just I think maybe tear a little bit off. I'm trying to think. I think we'll go this way and tear it off. Just kind of randomly see what we end up with. So maybe that bit there, like that. And then there's some purple here. It's a kind of pinky purple. I think we'll have that bit. Now we'll do that the opposite way. I still want to not cover. Let's not cover that one down there. And we can cover this bit up here by, let's tear along that bit, and maybe take this bit off here. So if we put that there and we put that, and we won't leave that, we'll leave the top 8 uncovered. And so we just need a bit for here. Wonder where the stamp's going to go. We could maybe do that. I don't know if we need another bit of paper down the side there. Yeah, I think we'll be good with that. And I've still got my other little bits of florally things to put on, so let's get this stuck down. I'm just going to use my glue stick. Now, how were we? Can't even remember now. I think it was about there. Yeah, and then that piece there. And then that bit up there. And then that's our easy background done. I have to say, purple was a bit like the orange. I had to hunt high and low for my purple. It's not especially a colour that seems to be in the stash. So we'll just sit that there just now until let's move the words out the way. And we've still our splatters to do, but I think we'll do the splatters at the end. So let's see what we've got. We've got this purple and that purple. So there's that. Now is that going to be too big to put 2 of them on? Yes, too big for 2. So let's keep that one and try this little one. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Although that's quite nice. Yeah, I think we'll stick with what I picked out. That's the cellophane for that. Right. Right, okay, so we'll get this down. Purple iris. And then we've got that there. And that there. Now I think I'll do my splatters before I put my words on and my, or will I? I don't know how the splatters are going to go. I'm not a splatter type person, but let's go for it. So I've got my little bit of shiny paper, then we've got some white acrylic and some water and a paintbrush. Now, is there something I could practice on? Take this out the bin. How are we going to do this? Yeah, that, I'm getting some splatters. Oh, excuse me. Right, I think we just need to go for it. I'm not sure that they'll stick to those foamy stickers, but that doesn't matter. We can just wipe the spatters off. Right, okay. Oh, that was a good one. I'm not sure when I'm going to stop here. That's fun. Yeah. Now, I'll probably end up smudging all those splatters when I'm putting my eyelet in and my bit of fabric and oh. Right, let's just tidy up. I wonder how long that'll take to dry. I should have had a spare bit of paper for that bit of paint just to use it up, but anyway, it was only a tiny wee drop. Let's just move that and that out the way. And so we have, look at them, we need them, and I've got my eyelets, and have I got a purple? Let's leave that to see if we, I'm thinking splatters that are landed thick like that take a wee while to dry. Oh look, there's purple. Excellent. Let's just check that this is going to go through. Yep, that's fine. Always best to double check. Right, now we could do this, I think, without getting the splatters everywhere. Now, maybe over here. On the king's head. Might end up in the tower for gluing over the king's head. I better not say that or people will think that's true and that's what actually happens here. Right, let's see if we can do this without damage to the splatters. So far so good. It's funny material that it's kind of like stocking type. Once the splatters are dry, I need to glue down that wee loose bit at the top there, but I don't want to turn it and lean on it before the splatters are dry. Right, let's choose what about inspire? And you know, I'm going to take that little black bit off and just small it up a wee bit. Because I don't think there's much room on this. I think we'll just go there. There we are. I'm trying to be ever so careful and not upset my splatters. I've not said the word splatters so many times in my whole life. Right, let's get the crock out of its bed. And we want the big side, so this side here. Ooh, I'm trying so hard to treat it gently that I'm a bit sugary. Right. Good. And I've kept my splatters in one piece, I think. Just need to be careful with it until it dries. There's a little one coming through from the back on that fabric. That's nice. Right, I think that's us. Do you know what? I actually quite like that. I must do splatters more often on other projects because I like how that's turned out. Yeah. I'm not going to put it on the ring just now because it needs to dry. But there we go. That's number 8, purple and splatters. So, it's actually a really pretty one, isn't it? Yeah, a nice mix. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. And yeah, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.